wanna go hiking, but I don't know what to bring.
I can tell you what you need. Basic things that you need to have in hiking are the backpack, thing that you need the water. Another thing is the food, the extra clothes. And the most important is the first aid kit. And finally, a friend.
Let's go hiking! We lost our backpacks. What should we do now?
So we can make a fire. We need to find food. Come on.
We can eat this.
Oh, I want it. I want. Yes. How do we go home?
The moss on trees is always on their northern side.
Also, you can make an SOS sign by using rocks or greenery to signal the fact that you're lost.
We've learned so many things today. It was such a great day today. 1. Never go hiking alone. 1.
Be equipped.
Announce someone before coming.
Don't provoke animals.
Backpack is your trash bin.
And
Always respect the nature.